Hello everyone, have you ever heard about Enums? Well, Enums are a simple feature you can add to your projects that help a lot with the organization and can even give a small performance improvement compared to using strings everywhere. I will show how to use them in Godot engine, but many programming languages also support Enum. To create Enum in Godot, you type Enum and then open it, and there you can assign names as integer values. So the first item has a value of 0, the second is 1, and so on. You can also manually assign values and even give the enum a name. What I mostly use enum for is defining the game stats or states like health, damage, armor, movement types. I usually place them inside a separate class name script just to keep the project more organized. Then using dictionaries become much easier and safer. You can also export enums in Godot so they can be edited directly in the editor. And if you use typed dictionaries, things become even cleaner. So, I hope this helped. See you next time.